Have you ever wondered where you would be without your washing machine? Without its spinning drum, its detergent drawer, or its range of eco-friendly settings? Adaptable, reliable, and invaluable, it works tirelessly to keep your clothes clean and smelling fresh. But more often than not, they don't get the affection they deserve. Limescale and bacteria build up, bad smells begin to linger, and the machine doesn't work as well as it could. Every year, Brits spend thousands on repairs and maintenance, or even replacement washers unnecessarily. But from just £3 per month, you can keep your machine fresh and hygienically clean, avoiding breakdowns. Dr. Beckmann's Service It range will remove 99.9% of bacteria, limescale, and any unwanted odours. So please, give generously and give your machine the care and attention it deserves. Don't just clean it, service it.